Hi everyone, this is me, QueenAlvarez. So welcome to my channel.
I love you.
So for today's video, guys, it's my rest day again, and I wanted to be productive, and I am very happy, guys, because I am productive for more than 1 month and a half, and I already bought my computer. And I can see more progress. And for my second project, it's surprise. And I think I really need to learn a lot, especially in editing in computer, because there's a lot of editing in PC, in computer. There's a lot of advantage. It can help you enhance your vlog, your video, a lot of effect, a lot of kanang mga transition. Wala ako nag-expect na makuha na ko ang computer because it's too mahal, it's too expensive. However, pag gusto, may paraan. Yes, that's my philosophy in life. Pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Ba? And then, there's a lot of takeaways as well if you wanted to edit your vlog using your phone. Because pag naana kay computer, pero pag mag-take too much na, i-remind ko, Lord, ikuan ko, Lord, tabangi ko, Lord. And then, nabiyan ba na ako ang ML? Kay I was so addict talaga. ML sa una. Ginoo ko gasto kayo kuha ng ML. And then, one day, I prayed to God na kanain ko, Lord, I really need your help. I can't do it alone. Gi-pray na ako. Nawala. Nabiyaan gid na ko ang kuan. And then also TikTok. Grabe na ako addict sa una sa TikTok. And then, na-realize na ako. And then, syempre, nagapangit ko guidance ni Lord. Yung na-realize na ako nga, ma-drain ko, like, makuan ko every time na ako makita, I wanted to be like this, I wanted to be like that, I wanted to be like those. And then, wala na ako nakita ang akong true self. Like, natabunan ko for, usay lang ako makita, good. So, I prayed a lot to God, Lord. Yun ako din siya mo, Lord. So, hindi na ako bitok. And then also sa Facebook account na ako, like ako gibiyaan po ang katong old account na ako. It is because gi-open na lang to na ako for exposure sa ako ang YouTube channel. And then pero dili na gigo active ato for just for exposure lang sa ako ang YouTube channel. And then yeah, God changed my life and I am really happy nga kanang na-change niya akong life, nakitaan ko niya, nahimo akong disciple niya, nahimo ako nga kanang servant ni Lord. Why? It is because I found my true self. I found my peace of mind. And then, basta na, kanang tawag kanina, panatag akong loob. And then, nahanay gud tanan ako life. Like, I am so happy kay na-plaster jud tanan ako alive. And, mas better gid nga si Lord imong i-best friend, imong i-close, imong ikuan kay di gyud ka magmahay. Like everything is kanang perfect. I mean, it's not that perfect, pero naagid siya permanently nag-guide always. So, half an hour na ako sige istorya din niya, guys, pero di ko mahudlan og check ka. Like iyan jud ko, guys, kanang dili ka mahudlan gud og chika, di ka mahudlan og kanang mo. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, everyone. It's okay nga dili ka mag-subscribe. It's okay nga dili ka mag-like. It's okay nga dili ka mag-comment. Just don't leave a negative comment. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you. Bye. 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 Bye.